This is how to make shorts in Premiere Pro. So first thing you do is you come up to sequence up here, sequence settings, and then you change this to 1080 by 1920, I believe. And also, bonus tip, if your screen is like too small like mine and you can't get over, you click here, make it sure there's a blue box around it, you click tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and if you need to double check, click Alt plus the space bar, click move, and then you can use the arrow keys to move it so you can see. See now OK is highlighted blue, so you click enter, or enter again. I don't know what this means, so I guess OK. And then it's like this, okay? And then you go here to scale and you move it up. So then it just, your video just fits in the frame like that. So I usually find, yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, you can copy this and then Control V to paste it onto your other clips. So yeah, then all of your clips are beautiful and perfect and amazing. This is how I make gaming shorts in Premiere Pro. I don't know if there's too many tutorials on how to do this on YouTube. This is just how I figured out how to do this. And I don't know if it's the best way either. I've only been editing for like a month now. So yeah, this is just my method and hopefully this helps you out.
Today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you got to do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before.